This bamboo stash box is honestly great. So it is made up of this great quality. And I was actually sent this by the brand in exchange for an honest review. On the side right here, it actually has like this really cool handle. So you can actually hold it like this. But it also includes like a combination lock. So if you don't want people getting into your goodies, you can make a code and you can just keep people out. And the instructions, the paperwork that's included, it shows you actually how to set that up, which is really, really cool. Once I open this up, this is how the inside of the box looks like. It has plenty of storage space right here. You can do certain activities right here. And once you open that up, it has multiple compartments. It also includes all of these goodies. If you want to roll one up, you can do it with this device. If you want to clean, you can clean with this. It also comes with 2 jars. And it also comes with a whole lot of stickers. But if you lift this up, it also has another secret compartment, which is super, super cool. But this is a great quality box. I just love the gold accents in it. And if you're looking for something to hold certain things of yours, this is the box for you.